the boy was sentenced to used oil bath was orphaned, the offender apologized. A kid gets a used oil bath punch for allegedly stealing auto parts in Arif Alfian's workshop. The workshop is located in Sangurejo village, Wanakardo village, Tori district, Sleman Regency, Indonesia. Videos and boys who were sentenced to used oil bath had become viral in social media. In the video the boy was told to bathe the used oil, then the boy splashed a used oil into the head. The boy was forced to bathe the used oil for allegedly stealing pedal gear in the workshop. Head of Sangurejo Dukuh, Sehadi Utomo, said after the incident, his party clarified to the schoolboy. Then, the schoolteacher came to the workshop and told him that the boy was an orphan. We cannot tell if the child is an orphan, but at night the guardian came to the garage and apologized, Sehadi told reporters on Monday, April 30, 2010. Sehadi explained that his party and the workshop owner also apologized for the treatment of the boy. The workshop owner, Sehadi said, would not have the heart to know that the boy who was sentenced to used oil bath was an orphan. We apologize to the guardian of the child. We, the owner of the workshop, if you know the child is an orphan would not be possible, Sehadi explained. Sehadi added that the boy was deliberately punished by the workshop owner as a deterrent effect. In addition, continued Sehadi, are also to muffle the emotions of citizens. Our goal is to save the child physically, from the emotions of the citizens, and not to drown the future of the child, Sehadi concluded.